Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of our hotel room. We're staying at the Marriott in Jeju Island, South Korea, obviously, where else would we be, for spring break. So let me give you guys a little tour. So first when you walk in, there's the door. And you got a little peeky hole. You can see what's going on out there. Okay. Then over here, you have this closet that lights up. Like, guys, this thing is so bougie. And then we have, I don't know what a shoe mitt is, but I'm guessing it's fancy. And then we have some, like, bags. I don't know if those are trash bags or not, but they're branded to the hotel. Oh, by the way, this is the Shinwa Marriott. Then we have these, like, shoehorn, like a lint cleaner or whatever. Then we have 2 pairs of slippers. I don't get a pair. Then we have 2 robes. They kind of feel like towels, but it's fine. We have an ironing board and an iron. Don't know what this does. It seems like it does something, but I don't think it does. Anyways, we close that up. And then in here, you've got shelves. Great tour. Moving on to the bathroom. It has a slide door. Not that strong. But over here, we have some nicely folded towels. And we have, some complimentary things. We have a dental kit. I'll probably do a separate video on this, but we have a dental kit. Stop shutting. 2 dental kits, actually. Beautiful. And we have a shaving kit, a sanitary bag, don't know what that is, a vanity kit, a shower cap, and some hair bands. We also have an emery board. What in the world is that? And then a comb. So we'll unbox those probably in a different video where I show the amenities that come here. But yeah, they had it so nice. And oh no. Okay. Oopsie. Got that kind of wet. Ooh. I turned on the sink earlier to check the pressure. Oh, okay. So this thing is the little spoolie thing. Then over here we have this bar of soap. Why is this so weirdly shaped? I don't know. Then we have hand wash and some body lotion, some cups and tissues, nicely folded towels, an empty drawer, a scale to make sure. What does that do? Don't know what that is. Then we have the hair dryer. Moving on to the bathtub and shower. Okay, so over here we get, what is this? This is shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Then we have the shower itself, a mirror, and the tub. It is small, but it comes with a TV. And there's the remote. I think it's waterproof. Should be. And then there's this mat over here that you can put on the floor to make it not slippery. I don't know, anywhere, I guess. But this hotel's nice. And then you have this weird shower head looking thing. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to mess with that right now. And then coming into the other room, which is the toilet. Yeah, the toilet bowl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that opens on its own. We have a folded toilet paper, nicely folded. And then this is a phone, I think, for emergencies, because it says emergency. We're going to go ahead and close that. But not going to mess with that. Anyways, moving on over here. Not sure what all this stuff is, but I'm not going to mess with that. And then we have like a bench, or not a bench, a place to put your suitcases. Then we have a wall. Over here, we have this really cool alarm clock. And then we have the instructions for that really cool alarm clock. And then down here, we have nothing. And then the lamp. Very nice, very, very nice. And then the nicely made bed, which will be ruined. these two chairs. And then we have like this really high-tech phone, which, yeah. And then this little stationery pad with a pencil, and a piece of paper. That'll go in there. And then this thing. So we have the English Bible, I'm pretty sure, and then the Korean Bible. Yep, that definitely does that. Let's check under the bed. Oh, wood. Fun. Okay. Moving on. Here's the balcony view. Yeah. Very pretty. The sun view, people. Okay. Moving on. Over here we have a fridge. Hi, Mom. Which my mom's stocking.
I brought some stuff, but look, they have this in here.
What is this? Oh!
And
I guess we get
beers, and they had this Korean Sprite, Korean Pepsi.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Yes.
Then we have a coffee machine, and then we have this like mini bar. That's the stuff that we brought, and then that is the stuff that it came with. And then over here, excuse me, Mama, we have a safe and a coffee maker. Excuse me. Okay. And then I think, yeah, this is lastly on our tour. The drawers. Checking. Oh, wait, what is this? This is probably, let's see, we got 2 of these envelopes, a postcard, then 3 pieces of paper, probably will draw on that. Hiya! So that is it for the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you are notified when I post a video. I love you. Have a great day, night, or evening. Bye!